Hi friends, today in this video I will discuss how we can create variable in R, and also I will tell you how we can store value in variable and how we can perform arithmetic operations on variables. Here you can see the R Studio window is open for us. I will work in the text editor and here I'll tell you how to create variable in R. So firstly I am writing here comment. So for writing a comment we need to type hash. It can be a single hash or more than one hash also we can take. So now I'm writing creating a variable in R. Now I have pressed enter from the keyboard. So say for example, I want to create a variable A and I want to store a value 23 in my variable A. So here you can see I have typed in the second line the name of my variable, and this is the assignment sign, that is less than, and hyphen is generally used as a assignment sign, and then whatever value we want to store that we can write at the right hand side. And then we need to execute this line in R. So as I'm writing the syntax at the text editor window, so to execute this particular line number 2, I need to press Control Enter from the keyboard. So once I will press Control Enter, this line would be executed in R, and in the console we can see that we have created a variable with the value 23. Now I can print the value of A. So for that I'm using print function. So in the parenthesis of print function, we need to pass the name of the variable. So that way I have written the third line, and then again I'm executing it with the Control Enter. So once I will press Control Enter, in the console we would be able to see the value of A, that is 23. So this way we can create variable in R. Now one more way to assign value to A is this, that is in place of this assignment sign, that is less than and hyphen, we can also use equal sign to assign value in any variable. And then when I'm pressing Control Enter, so you can see in the console the line is executed, and when I'm printing A, so it will return me 23. So in the console we can see the value of A is returning by print function, that is 23. So now you can see the print. Now you can see we are able to see that 23 is returned by the R as a value of A. So now we will see some of the arithmetic operations on variables. So I am telling you what operators we can perform to get the values of the variables. So firstly, you can see I have created one variable A and I have stored the value 23 into the A. Now I am creating the second variable, that is B, and I am storing, say for example, 12 into the B, and I am executing it by pressing Control Enter from the keyboard. So you can see this is stored, or 12 is stored in B. So now if I want to perform addition on these two variables, so I need to only type A plus B and I need to execute it. So the result is coming as 35. We can do one more thing. We can store the result of addition in other variables. So say for example, I have created one more variable C and I have stored the sum of A and B into C. So again, I need to press Control Enter to execute line number 9. And when I will print C, I would be able to get the addition value as 35. Again, now I want to get the subtraction of these two numbers. So again, I'm storing the result in C of A minus B. and I am executing it by pressing Control Enter, and then I am printing the value of C. So we can see the output is coming as 11. Now we can perform multiplication also on the variables. So again, I have created the C variable, and now I'm multiplying my two variables A and B and executing it by pressing Control Enter, and then printing the value of C to get the multiplication result, and it is coming as 276. Now we will go for the division. So again, I am creating C and storing the division of A and B into the C and pressing Control Enter, and then printing the C by the print function, and we would be able to see the output 1.916667. So this is the division. Now we want to get remainder. So we need to type A percent B, and then you need to Control Enter to execute it, and then you can print C to see the output. So that way you can see the output is 11. So the remainder would be 11 for the A percent B. So that way these are the sum of the arithmetic operators which we can perform on the variables to get the results. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. I hope this video will help you out to understand arithmetic operators on the variables. Thank you so much. Stay connected to watch more such videos in R. Thank you.